Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. There you are, in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 8, and now I can show you how to make your device faster. So here as you can see, we have ROG Phone 8, and this is one of the most powerful devices at 2024. But of course, after years, this device will be slower and slower. So just remember one rule. Never fill up your internal storage over the 80%, okay? Because after this point, your device will start slowing down. Now, I used only 15%, but after 80%, device will start to be slower. The second aspect, it's of course our RAM. Of course, you can enable the RAM booster feature and other features, but here we have a lot of RAM, so we don't need to enable booster because it's really big amount of RAM. But just from time to time, we just need to click clear all in recent apps, and that's it. Cool. And the last aspect, of course, is trash old applications. From time to time, you need to check applications you have on your main menu, and maybe it's a great idea to check your applications in settings, app and notifications, all apps, and check your applications here. And if you see unused applications, if you see maybe not dangerous but suspect applications, remove it from your device. Just remove. And it's very good idea to use manager device. Wait. Oh, I don't have it here. I don't know why. But mobile. Okay, let's try mobile manager. No, I haven't it. Interesting. Maybe I can get access to these settings only using the storage. And here we have storage manager. It's a very good idea to enable storage manager because using storage manager, from time to time you can click remove old apps, old files, and it will suggest you which files you can remove without damaging any data on your device. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.